What's the matter, Lex?
Mm-hmm.
Blowing up on you. How do you feel about that? Let it out.
I love you. I love you.
Let out your feelings.
Okay.
Cry about it.
I love you. Okay. You promise? Bye.
How do you feel about all this? How did you feel when she hung up on you? Use your words.
No.
Come on.
You said.
Come on, cry again. Sob again. Do it. Come on, let it out!
I'm just gonna go.
Let's go, bitch!
I'm just gonna go cry.
Sob.
Cry.
Go, sob. That's too quiet.
It's